Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone is off and you need to perform a factory reset. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone won't turn on, but I'm about to sell it back to the manufacturer. However, there's a lot of personal data on the phone, so I want to factory reset this Android phone. Since it won't turn on, I need someone to tell me how to factory reset an Android phone when it's off. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know how to erase and reset your Android phone when it's off, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Resetting while the device is off. The solution is to perform a factory reset in recovery mode. How to reset an Android phone when it's off. The best way to factory reset an Android phone when it's off is to enter recovery mode and perform a factory reset. The prerequisite for entering recovery mode is that the Android device must be turned off. This operation is not difficult. You just need to follow my steps to factory reset your Android phone when it's off. The steps to enter recovery mode and perform a factory reset are as follows. First, turn off your Android device. Then, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Next, try to enter recovery mode. The steps vary depending on the phone brand. Here are some of the steps. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Then, select Yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, and then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes. This is a common solution for how to reset an Android phone when it's off. You just need to wait patiently for the reset process to complete. Cause 2. Unable to enter recovery mode. The solution is to go to a brand service center. Usually, the above solutions will help you solve the problem of factory resetting an Android phone when it's turned off. However, if you cannot enter recovery mode or your Android phone is frozen and unresponsive, we recommend that you take your phone to a brand service center and let professional personnel tell you how to factory reset your Android phone when it's powered off. Before the factory reset, you can ask about the cost and whether data backup is possible. If you accept their conditions, patiently wait for them to factory reset your phone. This process should be completed quickly. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the factory reset Android phone when turned off issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.